everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just opening the box with all the earring backs in it because we're gonna need it. Okay, so this may seem like a random video if you're new here. Hopefully it's not all that random, but I thought I would show you everything I made this month. Not all of it's finished. And that's totally okay, because not everything you make has to be completed in a timely manner. So I need to put all of these earrings on earring cards, and in fact 2 of them need to get shipped out today. As well as I'm going to show you all the other little bits that I made. Just in case, you know, you don't follow me on Instagram and you missed where I like showed off all the things. Or my TikTok, I also shared it there. And yes, this is a sort of half-assed video, but to be honest, I just want to share what I made without needing to make like a whole studio vlog about it. Because I feel like I accomplished a lot. I was supposed to have 2 launches in July, one for my birthday sale, which was in the middle of July, and another at the end of July. The end of July one did not happen. Last minute, I ended up covering the store I work at, and for a whole week, like 5 straight days. I normally just work Saturday, Sunday, and ended up covering, so I worked my regular Saturday, Sunday. And then I had Monday off, and then I covered Tuesday to Friday, then worked my regular Saturday, had Sunday off, needed the day to recover, believe me, didn't get out of my pajamas, and now today's Monday. So this video is 2 days late to start off with. And I didn't have time to get my second launch in. It seems to always happen when I try to put 2 in a month. So I try to stick to just 1, and I think that's what we'll be doing for the foreseeable future. So, in case you missed it, here's what I made this month. Alright, so I'm going to show you probably my most favorite thing that I made this month. I'm just going to show you one because it's just easier to hold that up. This is a vulva earring, okay? And it's made out of silver metallic leather. It has a little dangling clit, and yeah, it is maybe subtle isn't the word, but probably not super obvious unless you're like, wait a second, unless you really think about it, right? So, you know, matching pair. This set is going out in an order. I also made it so that all earrings that look like this, that can have a stud, you can also order them with or you can order them with a clip-on attachment instead. So that's been a bit of an adjustment trying to figure that out. But I did make the vulva earrings in purple as well. They are normally, most of my earrings are just a single layer of leather, but these are actually 2 layers glued together. And I think it gives it a bit more body and a little bit more weight to it, makes it a little less floppy. Not something you want to say when you're talking about a vulva, I guess, but anyway. Then I made these chunky peace signs in the purple leather. So oh, there's a little extra glue. Need to clean that off. So I drew these by hand. Same with the vulvas, designed them all myself. Obviously, like, a peace sign's not that hard to draw, but it takes like figuring it out and getting the lines in just the right place. So yeah. Anyways, I also made them in silver. If you're going for like a super retro-y look, you can get these again with clip-ons. everything's up on my site now. Out of everything I show you, like for the earrings, some of the stuff that's not finished is not available yet. So then I made these like more statement earrings. So I mean, my earrings are pretty statement-y as it is, but these are like a chain of smiley faces. I wanted to make them out of yellow, but the yellow leather I had just wouldn't stick in my cutting machine. So I had to get creative, and I used this like nice blue color. These ones again can have a clip-on instead if you want, but this is what they look like on. I don't have the back on one yet, but yeah. So like they touch my shoulder when I turn around and stuff, but they're not overly long. Don't worry, these will get cleaned before I send them out. So this is what the vulva looks like on. Not actually sure if I'm showing it to you or not. It's really hard to like photograph or video the side of your head when you can't see it, but hopefully that's working. This is what it looks like on. It just dangles really nice and light. Doesn't get in the way too much. Then, oh, these are my like second favorite because they're just so freaking cute. These are clouds. Oops, are we gonna focus on the clouds? There we go. Look at these sweet little clouds. So they are each a double layer of the silver metallic glued together. And this, look at how small this one is in comparison to my fingertip. It's so small, so itty bitty. I'm thinking about maybe making like studs out of some of the extras of these teeny clouds, or maybe this middle size one. But they're just so cute. Here, we'll try them on. Then I just love these so much. Then I did make, oh, I'm missing one style that I already sold. I just sold like the one I already made. So then we have this style, which is just a single smiley face layer. They're really light. This is that leather that wouldn't go through the machine, so I have very limited numbers of these because basically I only got a few out of it that actually stuck down, and I didn't want to waste them by gluing two together. So they're really fun, like super 90s style hoops. And then, of course, you know, to go with the happy face chain, I made some like sad or angry face ones. I just think these ones are so funny. I don't know. I like them a lot. And they come in the purple. If you're ever looking for like a custom colorway of a type of, like a style of earring I already make, send me an email or use the contact form on my website and just maybe like link to the product you're talking about, because I can probably make it in another color as long as I have the color available. I have lots of black leather always. Other colors are kind of hit and miss, but I usually have a stash of other things. So and then I will show you, I don't have any made up or even glued together, but I made these like daisy ones too, and I made them like double layer. So this is really hard to match up. So there are 2 layers of this leather glued together, and they were on a hoop. But I've already sold those ones, so I have to glue more together because I was running out of time, and you know, I had to prepare them. So yeah, so I've got all of these daisies. I've got some more peace signs. The silver ones, I only have enough for 2 more pairs of the silver pieces. I have a lot of the clouds, like a lot of them. Most of them aren't even glued yet. lots of the smiley faces. Got all the centers out of the vulvas and all the little leftovers. Oh, there's another pair, another style that I already sold that I didn't have any left. So I made these little mini snakes and I made them as studs. So it's 2 layers of the silver, again, glued together. These are a total pain in the butt to glue, and this one did not glue very well, so that's why it's here and not on someone's ear. And yeah, so they're available with studs or clip-ons. So now I'm going to show you all the stuff I didn't finish, which is fine because it's to a point where it just needs the very finishing touches. And it's mostly just scrunchies because I was going to do an entire scrunchie launch at the end of July. But instead I'll have these for August. And I'm doing a market in the middle of August. It's the 19th, I guess that's not the middle, the 19th to the 22nd, I think. They ship within Canada. It's a virtual market. So some of these will be exclusive to them until the market's over. So they won't be available until after the market is over. Okay, so first off, as I have these awesome, let me set the bag down, these awesome linen scrunchies. So all they need is like the hole sewn up for where I put the leather in, or not the leather, put the elastic in. Wow, brain not functioning at all. But they're pretty big and fluffy, and they are 100% linen. They're made from dead stock fabrics from FabCycle Vancouver. I've had the fabric for a while, but they just are so much fun. I love the color. I'm not usually a red fan, but this is more like a cherry red, you know. Then we've got, I'm digging to the bottom here, we've got these beautiful satin ones. Again, just need their little hole sewn up and to be fluffed up properly. But this again is dead stock fabric from FabCycle Vancouver, and they're super cute. I've made them so that they do fit nicely on my wrist, because I find scrunchies that I purchase from other people and other places, they never fit on my wrist. So if I want to take it off, I can't do anything with it. So they're fat friendly if you have chunky wrists. And then these babies are, again, just needing their little hole sewn up here, and they are silver metallic, kind of, I would say like an organza material. They are way more meant to be like a decorative scrunchie. Like, you can use them, but I would say put your bun up and then just put this around it. But again, they fit my wrist pretty well, and they just look so much fun. Again, will be exclusive to the market until it's over, and then we will put them up on the website if there's any left. And there's very few of these silver ones, so not sure how popular they will be, but they're there. Then I think my favorite ones out of all of them are these aqua blue satin scrunchies. These ones, again, will be exclusive to the market until it's over. Just need a little hole sewn up, and yeah, they just need a little fluffing and look super cute. Also really great for summer because of the colors, and they just need to get finished up. And I need to take photos of them, all of this, for the market. And then I need to put all the rest of my stuff up for the market. So yeah, that's everything I made in July. I did cut a lot of things, like a lot of fabric. I have stacks of scrunchies that still need to be sewn. made lots of messes. There is little bits of card all over my floor because I did cut some tags for a friend, some like hang tags, and yeah, they leave a lot of little bits of confetti everywhere. But other than that, I just made a big mess, and now it's time to like clean it up maybe, and finish up all my projects and make some masks, because now that we're out in the world again, people are asking for masks. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me and, I don't know, sitting through this rambling mess. If you would like to see more videos from me, not necessarily like this, but maybe, stick around, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!